Hello students, welcome to class 11 subject mathematics chapter sets lecture 11 Venn diagrams application. We will learn from some examples of Ncert book. Example 25. In a class 35 students, 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football. Also each student like to play at least one of the two games. So we have to find out both cricket and football, how many students like. So we will see what to do for this. So first we have assume X is a set of cricket players and Y is a set of football players. X union Y denote that at least one of the game likes those students set. Okay, now X intersection Y, it's denote that set of those students who like to play both the games, cricket and football. So in our given question, what is given? We have 35 students for cricket, 24 for football and 16 at least one of them, or 16 player, or total is 35. That means X cricket is 24, cricket like 24, 16 like football. So we have to see that what is given here, n of x 24, that means cricket, n of y set of football y, and number of elements is 16, and x union y, that means both, at least one of the game, so that is 35. And we have to find out that both the games like how many students. So we already know this formula, that n of x union y equal to n of x plus n of y minus x intersection y. So n of x intersection y we have to find out. So this will come in place of intersection x intersection y. So now put the value. So this given 24, n of y is given 16, and x union y's number of element is 35. So if we do the calculation, we will get 5. So our answer will be 5. So how many students like both the games, cricket and football? 5 students like both the games. So now example 26. In a survey of 400 students in a school, 100 were listed taking apple juice, 150 students orange juice, 75 listed as taking both apple and orange juice. Find how many students were taking neither apple nor orange juice. Find how many students neither apple nor orange. So you set of surveyed student, and A set of students taking apple juice, B set of students taking orange juice. We have assumed these things. So now survey students, that means n of u equal to 400. N of A who like apple, who like, n of B who likes orange, and both likes 75 students orange and apple. So now we have to find out that neither orange nor apple. So A complement intersection B complement is neither apple juice nor orange juice sets. So now find the number of element of neither apple nor orange. So we can write this one from the using De Morgan's law. Using De Morgan law, we can write n of A complement intersection B complement equal to n of A union B whole complement, and in complement we already know that union minus universal set minus A union B. So now universal is given already 400, and we know the formula of A union B. So n of A plus n of B minus A n of A intersection B. So now put the value 400, this will 100, and this one is 150, this is 75. So if you do the calculation, you will get 400 minus 175, that is 225. Hence 225 students taking neither apple juice nor orange juice. Example 27. There are 200 individuals with a skin disorder. 120 had been exposed to the chemical C1, 50 chemical C2, 30 both the chemical C1 and C2. Find the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not to chemical C2. Find the students exposed to chemical C2 but not to the chemical C1. Find the student number of students who exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2, chemical C1 and chemical C2. So total number of students is given 200. C1 C2 two chemicals are there, only C1 exposed how many, 120, and only C2 exposed this skin disorder is 50, and both C1 union C2 both, sorry, intersection, both is here 30, A intersection. So now we have assumed U be the set of individuals with a chemical disorder, and A set of individuals exposed to chemical C1, B set of individuals exposed to chemical C2. So from the question we got total number of individuals is 200, and chemical C1 exposed to 120, chemical C2 exposed to 50, and chemical C1 and C2 exposed to 30. So from the Venn diagram we can say that so if you draw the Venn diagram, you will get this one is the A intersection B, this set A, this B. So A minus B and B minus A and A intersection B, these three sets are disjoint to each other, no common elements are there. So from that we can say A, this one, and the common part both making the set A, set A. So now if we apply number of elements, so number of element of A minus B plus number of intersection B, this will be plus because of these two are disjoint set, A minus B and A intersection B. A minus B is this one, A intersection B is this one. Okay, so this why we got A minus B equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. So this A minus B represent a chemical C1 but not chemical C2. So number of individuals, so here we got 90, hence the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 but not chemical C2 is 90. Next, similarly from this Venn diagram we can see that this one is the A intersection B, and this one will be B minus A. So B minus A and A intersection B both are making the set B union. So their number of element will be number of element of B minus A plus plus number of element of A intersection B. Why this happen? Because these two are disjoint set, no common elements are there. So number of individuals who exposed to chemical C2 but not chemical C1 is n of B minus n of A intersection B. 50 minus 30 equal to 20. So this is the answer. The number of individuals exposed to chemical C2 but not chemical C1 is 20. 3 number exposed to C1 and C2 both. The number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or chemical C2, that is A union B's order is cardinality. This set A union B's number of element is n of A. From the formula we know this n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B, and we already know n of A is 120, n of B is 50, n of A intersection B is 30, so the answer will be 140. So the number of individuals exposed to chemical C1 or C2, that is 140. So this is the answer. Hope you understood all these problems. So if you have any you will try to solve the exercise yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day.